ICT Award, the biggest tech award of Nepal. Top 5 Finalists. Huawei Startup ICT Award 2022. 𝗂𝗄𝗄 Health Private Limited. Monal Tech Private Limited. Pick and Drop Private Limited. Red Tail Fox Private Limited. Ringaze Tech Private Limited. Product ICT Award 2022. 𝗣𝗿𝐶𝗱𝗂𝗂𝐰 Nepal. FinPass. Gully Maps. TIG. 𝗏𝗏 Trident. Rising Star Innovation ICT Award 2022. Ask Matrab. Autonomous Eagle IUAV. 𝐥𝗶𝘀𝗶 App. 𝗦𝗫𝗄. Sarang. Title sponsor, Info Developers. In association with Nepal Telecom and Genesis Solution. Powered by Huawei and SCT Smart Choice Technology. Endorsed by NTA. Category sponsored by Encel, e-commerce partner. Daraz, payment partner. 𝐼ME-Pay, internet partner. Dish Home FiberNet, knowledge partner. Presidential Business School, ecosystem partner. Microsoft, insurance partner. 𝐼ME General Life, data center and cloud partner. Silver Lining Private Limited, IT training partner. Broadway Infosys, EdTech partner. Veda, incubation partner. King's College, gaming partner. Yarsa Labs, mobility partner. Gyre, security partner. Eminence Ways, broadcasting partner. Kantipur Television, app partner. Hamro Patro, technology partner. Technorio, SMS partner. Sparrow SMS, supporting partners. Fuse Machines. ICT Foundation Nepal. Nepal Entrepreneurs Hub. Acknowledged by. Event organized by Living with ICT.